Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating what's wrong. Open DevTools and watch the console and network tabs. Look for 4xx or 5xx codes and JavaScript exceptions because those tell you whether the problem is server or client. Once done, clear the browser cache and any CDN edge caches. Make sure to respect short TTLs so you see changes fast. Also confirm the exact URL, query parameters, and cookies. Test in an incognito tab to remove stored state variables. Next, isolate the fault by reproducing it in a controlled environment. You want to know if it's local, browser-specific, or backend-driven. Test on another device and browser, and disable extensions. These often interfere. Then create a minimal reproduction, a stripped HTML/CSS/JS file that either fails or succeeds. Meanwhile, review server logs and API responses with timestamps to match requests to errors, because matching those details narrows down whether to fix client code or backend services. Finally, implement the targeted fix you identified. Adjust the client code, correct the backend query or update configuration, and commit a concise changelog so you know what changed. Once done, deploy to staging and run automated and manual tests before promoting to production. Make sure monitoring alerts are active so you spot regressions. If the error persists, roll back, add verbose logging, and conduct a short postmortem within 24 hours to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.